So this is the glass bathroom closet door area. And the other day, Casey and I were working on this and we decided that we didn't have the right kind of tile bit. So we weren't able to drill holes here. So what we did was put some liquid nails on the bottom of this, put a couple of heavy items on it, and then let it dry for a couple days. So we're back today and we can take this tape off and this thing should be secured. We can go ahead and start putting these doors in. Blue tape does a pretty good job holding stuff, and you know, it's meant to be removed. It's not meant to stay on forever, so it's not super sticky. And get this garage door opener out of the way. Maybe we will actually be able to put these up today. See if I can actually manhandle this door and get it put in place. May have to wait for Casey, but I'm gonna try it. Because I don't like waiting. So it's gotta go in that track and then up and then down on this end. So if I can't see where the track is, okay, there I can see it now. Well, everything's looking nice. Okay. Now it does look like I've got a little bit of an issue down here at the bottom. I'll show you. See, like look at this area right here. Now when I close that, the door hits it and I've got a gap right here. So what I need to do is make that opening just a little bit wider so that that will fit in there better. Get the Moto tool out, it'll take care of that in a zip. Okay, let's see if we can get the other one in now. This is the door for another closet, so I'm gonna take it out of here before I get that door in, and I can't get it out anymore. All right. Where's my other door? Here's my other door. Let's see here. This one I think I'm gonna have to put on from the inside. There we go. Tilt it and then put it up into the groove and then let it come down into the pocket. It needs to go higher. Oh goodness. It won't stay in the tracks up here at the top right now. So I need to screw the screws in at the bottom, which is gonna increase the wheel height and lift the door up. That's what I gotta go do. I just don't want the door to fall out and break while I'm going. Watch it for me. Did it fall? No, it stayed up. All right, good. See if I can make this thing taller. Well, that's not working. I have to figure out what I need to do. Here we are back at the doors. I had to make some adjustments here for this track. The trim was in the way. So now I've got that all taken care of, and what I need to do is come back through with a little bit of mud and we'll paint this up and make it look pretty again. And the doors are on. Now we've got doors that actually go back and forth, and look, cameraman. Okay, so the doors are up. They're now adjusted. They work great. Another job done. I'm not quite sure how these are gonna work, but this is a tiny little bump out thing that's got an adhesive on the back, and this is supposed to be your pull for the mirror door. So I guess basically you just put resistance on it. It's supposed to go 40 inches up, and says in the instructions very clearly, once you attach it, it cannot be taken off. So we're going up 40, and then we're gonna come over just a little bit. You got room for your fingers. We're gonna take the tape off and try and put it on straight. Apply some pressure. There we go. So that's one. And then we got to put the other one on the other side. This one is the front door. So this one would go over here on this side. 40, and we're coming over a little bit. We're gonna put it right there, straight down, and apply our adhesive. Easy peasy. There we go. Now, grab it like that, like this, and open and close it. Good. Okay, we have these brand new fixtures right here that the electricians installed, which were part of our electrical package, but the big boss does not like them. They aren't big enough, they aren't cool enough, they aren't expensive enough. So out with the old new lights and in with the new lights. So yeah, we bought two sets of lights. Okay, so Casey and I got these switched out, got new ones put up, and I just got new, really nice shop lights. All right, Casey and I are in the secondary bathroom. Casey's over here, he's unpacking the new lights. And here again, we've got two new old lights that aren't good enough, and we're putting new, bigger lights in, fancier lights. So one good thing about this light, these new lights, is that they're larger. The electricians left us a little gift here, a little hole. So maybe we'll get lucky and the new light will cover that up. And Casey's putting on the final finishing touches, and we've got new lights, and I've got two more brand new shop lights. Now we've got this ceiling exhaust fan. So this is gonna come out. Hopefully without tearing stuff up. Okay, that went pretty well. So this goes up here. Goodness, I guess I'm gonna have to read the instructions. All right, so in the secondary bathroom, we've got the light fixture switched out, and now we've got the exhaust fan installed, and everything's operational there. Just maybe we're all done. We have a bathroom 100% done. Nope. Take it back. See this spot right here? We gotta come back, and I had to retexture that. We've gotta come back and paint it. So I gotta let that dry a little, and then I gotta paint it. So we're getting close. So remember that big hole we had here in the floor? Santiago's working on it and fixing it up. It's almost done. And in this master bedroom here, we've got the floor going in. That's looking good. Well, our floors are progressing nicely in the beach house. And if you've got a good floor guy, he will put samples down on the floor for you. He'll actually stain the floor in your house and let you pick the color that you like. So we've got 2, 4, 6, 7 different samples on the floor, and I'll let you look at them and I'll let you guess which one the big boss picked. So here we are. I mean, these two to me look kind of like what you'd call a gun stock, and this next one here, this looks to me like a walnut. This one here is a lighter version, and that's a pretty light version. This one here almost looks red, and that one there, I don't know what that one is. Any of them would be pretty, but you know, the big boss, she has something that she always wants. This one right here is the one that the big boss wants. So guess what? That's what we get. So here's a shot of the living room floors. Look how nice that's getting. Oh my goodness. But this is the one I want to really show you. This is where we added old hardwood floors, and they aren't even done yet. I mean, they've still got to go through and sand and put down some of that wood filler in the gaps. But man, it's looking good. This is going to be so nice. We're out here in the garage right now, and we're gonna get 2 things accomplished today, I hope. We're gonna get rid of this ugly purple on the garage walls, lavender. It was supposed to be gray, but it didn't turn out that way. So that's the first thing we're gonna get done. And the second thing we're gonna get done is the hardy siding on the exterior of the back of the house, where we put in the new sliding, or not sliding, but where we put in the new double patio doors. And look at this right here. I went to my storage unit, and I picked this up this morning. This is what we had left over from another job. It looks kind of dirty, but it'll clean up and it'll be brand new, and we'll get a coat of paint on it, and nobody will ever know that that stuff is old and it's left over from another job. So I just saved myself $300 or $400 just by having that stuff around and saving it. Well, yesterday our goal was to get the garage painted gray and get rid of the purple, and to get the siding up on the back of the house where we put the patio doors. So we are no longer purple. Casey really did a good job and got that all finished up. He scraped the bottom of the barrel of the paint can in order to get it all done. It was really close. And then while he was doing that, I was out here in the back, and I was working on all this siding right in here. So I got that all taken care of. And as I said, it was old siding that we had saved from another job. So today we'll get it cleaned up and caulked, and who knows, maybe we'll even paint it. So here in the garage, we have one of our garage door openers fully installed and operational. And over here, we've got the other one. I would say we're about 3/4 of the way done with it. All we have to do is hook up the sensors and then plug it in.